if you have an iPhone and a GoPro and you are intending on using a lavalier mic, just wanted to let you know that there are two different adapters you are going to have to buy. One is for the iPhone, so your lavalier mic plugs into that cable and then that plugs into your iPhone. And then this cable is, I believe it's called a TRRS adapter, and that is what you plug your lavalier mic into, and then the other end plugs into your media mod kit on the GoPro. Just make sure you have both cables if you intend to use your lavalier mic to take videos. Thanks for watching.